If you are wondering where is the headphone jack input on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then the answer is there is none. Unfortunately, we do not have the headphone jack input. Usually if the 3.5mm headphone jack input is included, we can find it either at the top of the device or at the bottom of it. But as you can see, the only port that we have is USB-C port. And this port can be used to connect wired headphones. So if you happen to have wired headphones with a USB-C cable, then of course you can just directly connect it to the bottom of the phone, to the USB-C port. However, if you have this kind of cable that looks like this, then in that case you need to use an adapter that converts 3.5mm headphone jack into USB-C. So essentially we connect our wired headphones to this adapter and then we plug the adapter in using the USB-C port. And usually these adapters are fairly cheap and also quite easy to find on websites such as Amazon. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.